Hello, everybody. All right, so here we go. So, what is the title? The title is Summer Olympics. What do you see on the cover? Do you know what the Summer Olympics are? Well, if you look at the picture, if you look at the cover, you can get a general idea of it. But let's go ahead and read and find out. Let's make our own Summer Olympics. What do you see? What sports do you see on this page? How many sports do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So many, right? What are some things that you can name? Do you know any of these Korean athletics? Athletes, sorry. Do you know any Korean athletes that participate in the Summer Olympics? Do you know any Korean archers or Korean gymnasts? Korean badminton players, soccer players, taekwondo, volleyball players, basketball players? Who can you think of? Do you like soccer? Can you kick a ball? What sport is this? How do you play? What do we do with the ball? What body part do we use in this sport? When our country's team, when Korea goes and play soccer, when we have a national soccer game, what do we chant? How do we support them? Do you know? How do you win soccer? Can you tell me how to win soccer? Where do I have to kick the ball? Do you like basketball? Can you bounce a ball? What is bouncing? Do you know what bouncing is? What sport is this? We need to bounce a ball in this sport. What do we do in this sport? How do we win? Where do I have to shoot the ball into to get points? Do you know any Korean basketball players? Do you like swimming? Can you hold your breath? Show me. How do you hold your breath? Right? How long can you do that for? Can you swim? Do you know the different styles of swimming? Do you know a famous Korean swimmer? Do you like baseball? Can you swing a bat? What sport is this? What do we need to play this sport? What is the stick-like thing in his hands? What does he need to do? How do you play baseball? Also, going back one page, what is he wearing? What do we need to wear to go swimming? Do you like track and field? Can you run fast? Do you know what track and field is? What do you have to do? Do we do that fast or slow? How do we win at track and field? All right, so we have a naked boy here and a naked girl. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut these sports leisure and these uniforms out, and then you can dress up your two characters. Let's go ahead and go on to the workbook. All right, so let's start off with our Olympic words. So the first word is going to be Olympic. Olympic. Olympic is a very, very big sports event, a worldwide, nationwide just worldwide sports competition, sports events where each country sends their best athletes to compete with each other. So that's why they would be Olympians, right? So go ahead. Let's see. Let's connect our words. So which one is going to be the Olympic? Do you know which one is the Olympic? Olympic. Olympic. This is going to be Olympic. Very good. The next one is soccer. Soccer. How do we play soccer? We kick the ball with our feet, right? So which image shows that they're kicking the ball with their feet? Right here, this one. The next one is going to be basketball. Can you say basketball? Basketball. Let's go ahead and put this up. And the next one is baseball. One more time, baseball. Ooh, this image is going to be baseball. The one of the sport that they're playing with the bat. Can you match this picture to baseball? So it's not this one, sorry, whoops. It's right here, baseball. The next one is going to be, let's work down here, the sports event that is called track and field. It's running, right? So this sports event is going to be called track and field, and that's this one. And finally, what's the sport that we do in water? Swimming. Very good. Swimming. Swimming. Very nice. We'll go on to the next page. All right, so we're going to fill in the missing letters. The first one is going to be Olympic. This one's pretty hard, but you can do it. Olympic, Olympic. If you look at our words right here, which one do you think will go into Olympic? Olympic. Olympic. Sounds like yellow, right? Olympic. Yolympic. Let's cross this out. Very nice. The next one is soccer. 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 How do we spell soccer? SOCCER. Very nice. Soccer. SOCCER. Very nice. The next one is going to be basketball. One more time. Basketball. 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 So which one is going to make the sound? There's two. There's the CK and there's the K, right? Which one do you think it's going to be? It's going to be the one letter K. Very good. Let's spell it. BASKETBALL. Very nice. The next one is going to be swimming. 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 Spell it. SWIMMI. Ing. That's going to be NG. Very good. The next one, what is this called? Good. Baseballed. Baseball. 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 So what is that going to be? The l sound. Baseball. BASEBALL. Very nice. Baseball. So we're going to cross that out. We got the K, cross the K out too. And now we're left with CK and IE and the word track and field. Track and field. One more time. Track and field. TRACK and FIELD. Track and field. Very good. Let's go on to the next page. Action verbs of Olympic, the Olympic sports. So we're going to match the pictures and the right verb. So the first one is going to be run. Run. How do you run? Can you show me how to run in place right now? As you're sitting down, how do you run? Show me how to run. Right? This is how we run. So which picture looks like they're running? This one, right? So we're going to connect that one up there. Very good. The next one, hold your breath. Can you say it? Hold your breath. Your turn. Hold your breath. Very good. Hold your breath means, so we're breathing now, right? That's the breath. We have to hold it. So where do we need to hold our breath? Probably in underwater because water does not have air, right? So hold your breath. Where do we need to hold our breath? In the water. And the sport that um, has the sport that you have to hold your breath in, there's two. Do you see it? Holding your breath? Right here. Hold your breath. The next one is kick. 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 We kick with our legs, probably to play soccer. So which one is this going to be? Yep, right here. Very nice. The next one is swim. Swim. Can you show me how to swim? Very good. Swim. So which one is swim, everybody? Yes, the one in the water. Good job. Oops. Let's do it like this. Very good. The next one is swing. Swing. What do we need to swing in the sport of baseball? We have to swing the bat. So this is going to go here. Swing. And the final one is going to be bounce. Bounce. It's also dribbling, right? Bounce. Bounce, where the ball goes up and down. Up and down. And this is going to be right here. Very nice. Good job. On to the next page. So you know what to do here, right? You're going to go to this page. You're going to cut the picture out and glue it onto the frame. And together we're going to trace the title. So let's do that right now. What is the title, everybody? The title is soccer. Very good. SOCCER. 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 Very good. Let's go on to the next page. Here are some extra pieces if you need them. Let's talk about sports equipments. When we play certain sports, we need certain equipments. Not all equipments are the same. For example, for the first one, they're playing baseball. So when we play baseball, what do you think we're going to need? Did you say bat? Because that is correct. We are going to need a baseball bat. It looks like a big stick. Can you show me and connect it? Good job. It's going to go right here. Very good. The next game or the next sport is called soccer. It is where we kick the ball around and we try to shoot a goal to win, right? But what do we need to kick around? What do we need for soccer? Obviously, we need a soccer ball. So we're going to connect that there. Very good. The next one is basketball. Very good. It's a basketball. And what do we do in basketball? To move around in basketball, we need to bounce the ball. And what is the ball called? A basketball. So we have to connect basketball to the basketball, right? The next one, as you can see, they are running. When they are running, this sport is probably going to be involved in track and field. So in track and field, we have a lot of hurdles. Can you say hurdles? Hurdles. So the track and field is going to go to this one. It's going to go over the thing that looks like a fence. It's called a hurdle. And finally, for swimming, we do have to see where we are going underwater. So we're going to need a special type of glasses, but not glasses. They just cover and protect your eyes so the water can't get in. What is this called? Goggle. Very good. Goggle. We're going to need goggles in order to swim. Let's go to the next page. Here we go. Let's keep going. So the first sport we have up here. So this sport, where we toss the ball up in the air to try to win the game over the net, this is called volleyball. Can you say volleyball? Volleyball. For volleyball, we're going to need an actual volleyball, which looks like this. The next game is called tennis. Do you like tennis? Do you know any tennis players? Tennis is where you play, where you hit the ball to each other with rackets. So, as I said, in tennis, you need a racket. Can you connect our sport, the tennis, yes, our sport, tennis, can you connect that to the racket? Very good. We're going to need this one. The next game is a very popular winter sport. This is called hockey. Can you say hockey? Hockey. Hockey is where they take these big hockey sticks and they move the puck around to throw it into the goal. So, in order to try to throw it and smack it and shoot it into the goal, they're going to need hockey sticks and a puck. Can you connect that? Right here. Good job. Very good. And the next one we have, this one is where we hit a very tiny white ball and we try to hit it as far as we can to make it into the hole, which is the goal, right? So in order to play this sport, which is called golf, we're going to need a golf club. This is a golf club. And this is one teacher's favorite sport. This is what I do for a hobby. So this sport is we take one big heavy ball and we are trying to knock out many types of bottle-looking things to gain points. This is bowling. And in bowling, we need bowling pins. Can you say bowling pins? Bowling pins. Very good. So we're going to connect the girl who is bowling to the bowling pins. Good job. Let's go on to the next page. So what doesn't belong? We're going to circle the picture in each group that does not belong. That just looks weird. So on the first row, we have basketball shoes, basketball. We have cleats. We have a basketball jersey and a basketball goal. So the answer that we are going to circle, so the image that we are going to circle is going to be cleats. What are cleats, everybody? Cleats are special shoes that we wear for soccer. The next one we have is a hurdle, stopwatch timer, whistle, gloves, and a track. So hearing the word track, what sport do you think of? Track and field. Very good. So we have to find one that does not belong to track and field. We need the hurdle to go over, and we need a stopwatch or a timer to see how long it took. And the fastest person wins. The whistle starts the race on top of the racetrack, on the track. So the answer is going to be gloves. I don't think we need gloves when we're running. All right. So the next one is going to be a huge goalpost, soccer goal, a target, a jersey, a soccer ball, and a red card. Do you know what the answer is? This was very easy. The target. Do you know what sport this is for? Archery. Very good. It is for archery. And the next one we have is a kettlebell. A kettlebell is something we use to exercise. A kettlebell, baseball, baseball glove, baseball bat, and the baseball field, the mound. So I think this answer is pretty easy. I think you know. So what is the answer? The kettlebell. Good job. Let's go to the next page. And now we're going to try Olympic math. We're going to look at the graph and answer some questions. So our class favorite sports. In the class, how many people are there? Let's count all the balls together. 1, 2, whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 people in the class, 19 kids. So how many kids liked soccer? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kids like soccer, so we are going to write 6 right here. The next one is going to be baseball. Baseball. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 baseball. So 4 kids like baseball. How many kids like volleyball? This one's easy. 1 and 2. So we're going to write 2. 2 kids liked volleyball. And for basketball, whoa, how many kids like basketball? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 kids like basketball. So we're going to write that down. So let's also write down, which sport does our class like the most? The most people, it's the most popular sport. A lot of people voted for it, and a lot of people want to play this sport. So which sport would that be? The big number, the biggest amount of number. Basketball. Very good. Spell it. Basketball. Basketball. Very good. Basketball. And number 3, which sports does our class like the least? What does least mean? It is the opposite of most. So what is the opposite of most, and what does least mean? It means little. Which sport did the class least liked? They liked less. Think less, very small. Very good. Volleyball. Let's spell VOLLEYBALL. Very good. Let's go on to the next page. Here are some hidden pictures that we're going to find. So here we go. Get your circle ready. We're going to circle them. First one is orange, found it here. The next one is lemon. Where is the lemon? Here is the lemon. What's the next one? Do you know what the next picture is? Yo-yo. It is yo-yo, which is right here. The next one is a very tasty fruit called a melon. Can you find the melon? Sorry, this was the orange, and here's the melon. Very good. The next one is, it's a fruit that starts with pear, and pear is right here. The next one, we all need this during the summer. This is ice cream. Very good. This is ice cream. And finally, last one is going to be carrot. One more time, carrot. All right, where is the carrot? Here is the carrot. So let's spell that out. Orange starts with the letter O. Lemon starts with the letter L. Very good. Yo-yo. Y. Melon. Melon. M. Pear. P. Ice. Ice. I. Carrot. C. And what does that spell out? Olympic. Very good. It spells out Olympic. Let's go on to the next page. This one's pretty easy, right? You are going to, this is dot to dot sports, and you're going to connect the letters in alphabetical order. I'll start you off. We're going to start at A. What comes after A? B, C, D, E, and so on. Go ahead and try that by yourself. When you do this, be sure to sing the ABC song. And here is Olympic Sudoku. Olympic Sudoku. How do you play Sudoku? Each row can only have one of those symbols. So we already have a purple, we already have a red, and we already have a pink or orange. So does this row as well. So what do you think we need here? We already have purple here, purple there. we have pink and red. So we're going to need green, okay? There we go. Green would go in there. So the first row and the second row from to the side are complete. We are done. Now, in the next row, we have our red, pink. Which one's missing? Ah, this one's pretty easy, right? That's right. It's going to be the purple one. The purple one is going to be missing. Do I need to put one more blue on top? And would that look purple? It might not. Hopefully it does. It looks a little purple, I guess. All right. So let's look at this row. We have purple, red, green. So it looks like we're going to need pink, right? But the darker pink. So we'll do this. This. Dark pink, purple, green, green here, pink there, purple there. So now we're going to need. Oh, I got that wrong actually. So this is the light pink, and this is the dark pink. That would go here. So that's a Sudoku. Sudoku can only have one symbol sideways, one symbol on each row across, and then and the same rule applies when it's downwards. Let's go on to the next page. Good job. That's pretty hard, but you did a great job. Here, whoops, sorry. Here, you're just going to look at the pattern and complete it using the pieces below. So go ahead and try that by yourself. And here, you're going to find the rhyming words, and you're going to cut them out and put them into the goal. So let's read our words, okay? So the first one we have, hug, hug, hug. What rhymes with hug, everybody? Ugh, bug. Whoops, this is so thick. Bug rhymes with hug, so bug would go into hug. Cut it out and glue it onto hug. The next one is going to be cat. Cat. So the same word with the sound is going to be hat. So hat would go there. The next one is pin. So what sounds like pin? Tin. Very good. So we're going to put the tin right there. So go ahead and try the second row by yourself. I'll just read it with you. Log. Log. One more time. Log. L. Put it together. Bell. One more time. Bell. Very good. Finally, we have app. Put it together. Cap. Very nice. So go ahead and read the words that rhymes with them and then put them in the box. In the goal, sorry, not the box. And I'll read you the words here one last time. We have bug, hat, tin, frog, well, and lap. Let's go on to the next page. Here is a maze. Oh, I keep doing that. Whoops. Here is a maze that you're going to start right here, and you're going to find the soccer ball. So go ahead and connect your line to the soccer ball. Try that out by yourself. Actually, I'm going to start you off. Let's go search for the soccer ball. So we're going to start here, go here. Not here, no. Oh, we can go. Oh, no, we can't go there. Oh, still can't go there. Would it work here? So go ahead and try that out by yourself and find the soccer ball. 5 differences. Let's spot the 5 differences. Go ahead and take a good look at it and let me know what you think. I found the first difference. The man here has a water bottle, but not the man here. Another one is here's a green tree, here's a blue tree. Another one is going to be cloud, no cloud. The whoosh of 2 became 4 here, or 4 became 2. And the last one I can't seem to find. Can you find it? Try that out by yourself. And here's the Olympic board game that you can play with your family and friends. And if you want to learn how to play the game, just watch the extra video that explains it, along with this die and the another Olympic board game. And it's going to show you how to cut all these out and create it all. And then here are your sight words that you're going to practice with your mom or dad. Good job, everybody.